turn your webcam from this to this. What is up, guys? Migo here from toomuchgaming, and today we're going to be taking a look at something different. We're going to be taking a look at this little budget alternative to an Elgato CamLink. This thing was only around $6 US, 300 pesos for us, and it's pretty darn good, I'd say. But yeah, this little no-brand, non-brand USB CamLink is functionally the same as the Elgato one, only it's not $100. No bells and whistles, it's just this. There's a little manual that comes inside, doesn't really say much. No software to speak of, but it works as far as I can understand, because it's being detected by various programs, as a USB like webcam driver or a video capture driver. So you can also use it for your Skype calls, your Zoom calls. I probably should have said Zoom before Skype, because I don't even know if Skype's still live. You can use it in Discord, but most importantly, we are using it today as an OBS capture device. Mainly, I have it connected to a GoPro Hero 4. It's a really old one I just had laying around. I've used it with a DSLR as well, an old Sony Nex5 from 2010 even. So theoretically, any camera with an HDMI out, this should work fine with. I have yet to test it on console gaming because I have another dedicated video capture device for that, which is the original Elgato Game Capture HD. I also have like an old AverMedia somewhere, but as far as I can see, the lag is really minimal. Maybe you'll feel it more if you're planning to use it as a means to pass through an HDMI signal to a single monitor that you want to play on. That might not be the best scenario to use it, but at the very least for webcam purposes or turning a video camera or a DSLR into a webcam, in case you have a really bad webcam like I used to do, is a really nice alternative. Super budget so far. I don't want to jinx myself, but I haven't found any issues. I've had this for like a solid maybe week and a half. No overheating issues to speak of, which I've heard from other people who have purchased a really similar item, though it was still like non-branded, but the box that it came with for those other friends of mine looked a little different. So I don't know where these things are coming from, but hey, if these are really good budget alternatives to otherwise really expensive branded gear, at the very least, if you're starting out, this is a really good go-to item. Yeah, just a real simple thing. You can, like I said, turn your GoPro into since we can't use it to go out and do sports things or whatnot, God forbid I use it for sports, I found a way to bring life back to the old GoPro, and as well as my old DSLR, since we can't use it to cover events and stuff. Really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really darn nice. I actually have it in wide angle photo mode. If I were to convert it to the regular 720, it would be a lot more zoomed in. If I would like to zoom in to OBS, I do have another scene where it's so significantly more zoomed in, so I think that's perfectly fine for that. If you want to spruce up your background too, you can also get some color changing LED bulbs, like you can see the one in the back, for only $1.50 in USD. It's 130, 140 pesos ish. 15 watt color change. It even comes with a little dinky remote. It's all the way in the back. I don't want to grab it with my Egyptian god cards. They're doing their best to protect it. But yeah, just a little short video showing this new toy that I got. I'm pretty darn happy with it. I do need to probably put it through the runner, plug in maybe the Switch PS4 to see if there's any lag. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just really happy it works. If it breaks, it's 300 pesos. You can buy a meal more expensive than that. But yeah, anyway, that's been me. Hope you guys are having a good week. Let me know if you have any experience with similar types of capture devices, or if there's any downside to using these ones, say maybe if yours breaks really fast, or if there's some other underlying issues that are not apparent to me at the moment, since I've only had this for a very short time. But yeah, it's gonna be it for this one. I'm gonna bounce out. Peace. I'll see you guys at least once a week on stream on Twitch or Facebook, so join us there. We'll probably stream some more stuff too. I'm out. have a good week, have a good weekend, have a good day wherever you're at. Peace.